Before proceeding further, I would like to update some of the prerequisites which helps you to get more out of this course. And also you can complete it in a quicker manner. That is Linux Basics, Git Basics, and AWS EC2 Service. If you don't know Linux Basics, maybe you can check out my dedicated course on Linux for Cloud and DevOps Engineers. And also if you don't know Git Basics, again I have a dedicated course on Git for DevOps Engineers. You can check it out. Next, AWS EC2 service. It is just straightforward steps, but it is quite easy to understand. Maybe you can check out in our YouTube channel. Next thing, resources which are required. That is, you should have an AWS account and GitHub account. With this, you can able to find the resources which we are using in these lectures under my GitHub URL as mentioned over here. During this course, if you have any questions, please ask me in the Q&A section. I will try to answer your questions at my level best. If you still reach out to me directly, maybe you can check out our social media platforms. We will be available over here if it is really necessary. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.